Now just come back to the table which we have prepared previously. Now suppose if you want to put borders to this table, you have to just select this table. In the home tab there are border settings. This arrow you have to click. You will see various formats over here. Suppose I have selected this format. So right now I have added border to my table. So in this way you can put the border. Suppose if I write sample workbook over here, now the sample workbook is written in C5 cell. Suppose if I want to merge all these cells into one, I'll select all these cells. There is one merge option over here, merge and center. If I select this option, my entire C5 cell is merged into one cell. So with the help of keyboard arrow key, from C5 it is directly going to G5, because all my C5, D5, E5 and F5 cells are merged into one cell. So my worksheet will not have now D5, E5 and F5, because these cells are merged into one cell, that is C5. Suppose I want to demerge this C5, I will again go to C5 and press this merge button. Now if I go to C5, I'll be able to see D5, E5 and F5 now. So this is for merging these cells. Suppose if I want to add background color for my header, I will select header. Here one bucket sign is there in home tab. You have to select any color. So in this way you can add background. If I want to change my font color also, I can select color of my choice, and in this way I can change font color also. Suppose if I want to change the font for this table, I'll select the header. Over here you will find various fonts which we generally used in Word also. So as soon as I change the font, it is getting. Suppose I choose this font, I'll increase the column width. I'll just double click. It will automatically adjust my column width. So in this way you can change the font for your table. Suppose if I want to copy this table to another worksheet, I will select the table, copy. Over here you will find there are various sheets in this workbook. There is over here in below you will find insert worksheet. If I click on this, a blank worksheet will be created. Suppose I want to copy that table in new worksheet. I will select the table, press Ctrl C. I'll go in sheet 1, Ctrl V. So in this way I can copy the data from one worksheet to another worksheet.